Last year from 2020 onwards, even today, entire world is facing the problem of pandemic situation due to corona. So is there any future, and what is the effect and future of the economy? Generally, economy depends upon the performance of entrepreneurs, employees, regulators, and many other sections, and environment also. Environment means which facilitates the fast performance. But because of this pandemic situation, all these sectors has been affected, and the revenues has come down, employment opportunities has been gone, has been made not available. Entrepreneurs also incurred losses. The governments also faced problems of low revenues, and all these things happen. So what is the future because of this pandemic situation? Now we have seen from October onwards, because of unlocking steps taken by the government with a courage, the manufacturing sector is showing good performance. Means the manufacturing sector is producing more than the expected. The expected by the government, based on the pandemic situation of first 2 quarters, means from April to September. So manufacturing sector is showing good performance because of continuous supply of power, transportation, also marketing opportunities, also the employees also possibility of availability of human resources, natural resources. One more successful sector was agriculture. This year, the agriculture has shown very good performance, highest production of grains, fruits, vegetables, and all agriculture producers shown a very good performance, very good productivity, very good higher quality of production because of less effect of pandemic situation on rural places. Rural places, people are healthy enough to carry on agricultural activities without disturbance, and there was ample supply of power, water, that led to good highest quantity of production of agriculture products. And one more sector which was performing well is transportation. Maybe transportation, road transportation, rail transportation, air transportation, water transportation, sea transportation, all these transportations has improved a lot during the pandemic period. Even though there was a shortage of workers, there was a shortage of migration of workers from one place to others. The reason is the government has, with foresight, has taken daring step to invest in infrastructure sector, that is roads, power, transportation, and all these sectors has led to creation of more employment and more facilitation to entrepreneurs, agriculture and manufacturing sector. That led to the success, high productivity, high production of manufacturing and agriculture sector. One more sector is shown good performance, connectivity. We have not seen any disconnection or low connectivity in communication or digital connectivity or any communication connectivity, transportation connectivity, road connectivity. Every connectivity was perfect and helped to improve the performance of many sectors. Of course, there are affected sectors. Some affected sectors are display-based retail marketing malls. Maybe we can say luxury malls or showrooms or any other retail outlets which are based on the luxurious consumers or luxury articles affected a lot. And other sectors affected are public transportation system. People are hesitating to move from the homes or move away from the places. The public transportation system is affected, means buses have stopped, trains were running with low capacity, low people capacity, as well as flights also were reduced. All this reduced, but the transportation and communication made everything possible, everything available to people on time. And one more affected area is function halls, entertainment, cinema theaters, etc. Where there is a possibility of more crowds. People were not dare enough to, or not courage enough to enter the places where the more people assemble to not to be affected because of precautions prescribed by the government. Next, one more affected area is education institutions and coaching classes, because now, because of the pandemic situation, the education institutions were asked to close or asked to not to insist for the students' attendance. The alternative mode of education was from online learning, online education to students, maybe from second, third class to up to degree level also. The online education was going on. That helped to prevent the mobilization of students in classrooms. And also coaching centers also affected a lot because of the need of crowd, which is not acceptable, not allowed, not good for the during pandemic period. So all these education and coaching centers were able to deliver their lectures or subject or knowledge to the students through online classes, but not on physical classes because of pandemic situation. Next one is information technology. During this period, many people were staying at home and many people were using connectivity, communication, fast connectivity, and digital meetings were going on. So that led to improvement of information technology, information service technology. Exports also reached highest levels of $4 billion during the last year. This is possible because of hard work and also work from home led highest productivity for information technology companies, because nearly 75% of the staff of the information technology companies were working from home, and that reduced their expenditure, also utilized employees' time more effectively for getting higher good results, good performance, timely service, and that led to highest information technology services and export of such services to global institutions. And another new area of business improved is storage, delivery. Marketing communication sectors improved. Storage, instead of retail outlets, the companies which are operating to store the produce from collect the produce from the producers and deliver it to the consumers. Means storage points and delivery points business has improved a lot because of perfect communication between the producer and the consumer. That if you book a order through e-commerce, you will get the product within a short span of time. Otherwise, it was not possible earlier because because the consumer needs to go to the shop to purchase something. But now, because of display-based marketing is available, the consumer can select the commodity and book a order that will be delivered to him on time as per the prescribed timing prescribed by the delivery company. People also now, because of pandemic situation, people also became more careful about spending and using financial resources, because they were preparing for unforeseen events of ill health or effect of health of themselves or family members or anything to protect from unforeseen events. The people are careful about spending. People are spending only for necessities and healthcare and wellness, and postponing for comforts and avoiding luxury and lavish spending. This led to more demand for necessities and also healthcare wellness products. We have seen the much demand for essential commodities and medical goods and services during pandemic period because of precautionary steps taken by consumers, and also careful about spending not postponing for comforts and avoiding luxury and lavish spending. People realized the importance of savings, necessity to face the future unforeseen events. Also, people started showing more importance for savings to face unforeseen events of healthcare, emergency, or any other necessities in future. And they are postponing the comforts and avoiding luxuries and making more investments of liquid assets. Liquid may be cash or deposits or post office or any other form of liquid assets which is possible to their convenience. So savings became more important because of pandemic situation during Corona period.